Hi guys, today we are making beef sausage rolls. First of all, we're starting with 500 grams of beef sausage mince. To this, we're adding 500 grams of regular beef mince, also known as ground beef, depending on where you're from. Next, we'll add 1 small red onion, finely minced. This is followed by 1 small brown onion, finely minced. One medium carrot, also finely minced. I used a food processor. Next is 3 cloves of garlic, also finely minced. This is followed by a 1/4 cup of parsley. I use dried parsley, but you could also use fresh parsley. Next is about a tablespoon of ketchup. Next, we're adding a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. And next, we mix it all together. Once your meat mixture is thoroughly mixed, you want to divide it into 8 portions. This will make it easier when it's time to put together the sausage rolls. Next, get out your puff pastry and divide each sheet into 2 pieces. Then we'll scoop out our beef mixture and make a line down one side. If you don't have puff pastry, you could make your own pie crust pastry. That would probably work. Make sure your meat goes to the very end of the pastry. Next, take your whisked egg and apply it along the edge of the pastry. This will help your sausage rolls stay sealed. Now it's time to roll them up. Next, cut each roll into 4 pieces. Next, get out a baking tray and either grease the tray or use baking paper. And carefully place your sausage rolls onto the tray. Next, get out your egg wash and lightly cover each sausage roll with the egg wash. This will help the sausage rolls brown. Okay, the next step is optional, but it adds a nice touch to sprinkle some sesame seeds over the sausage rolls. When you're done, you can put the tray of sausage rolls into an oven that's been preheated at 190 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown and the sausage meat is cooked through. And here's the final product. How did they taste? Well, tune in to Sapatus ASMR for the full tasting review. Link is in the description. Thanks, everyone.